I'm Dr. Joella. I'm a sports chiropractor and I'm an injury prevention specialist. And today we're going to talk about how to do your own care for your own forearms. Stick around to the end because then you'll go through the whole process and you'll know how to do it for yourself. It doesn't take long at all. You know how much you use your forearms, especially with typing on the keyboard, on your laptop, using your mobile phones, mobile devices, and then later using your arms to pick up groceries, to pick up a child, to chop when you're cooking dinner, to wash dishes for the people who do wash dishes. So we need to relax them because we're constantly using them. So here's my tools. I have an ice pack, a hot pack, and I'm using an oil, but you can use a lotion. You can use anything that gives you a nice smooth move on your skin. So I'm going to put these over to the side. And so right now I'm going to start with just showing you, you take your hot pack and you wrap it. It'll wrap all the way around the arm. And I would only leave it on there for like 5 to 7 minutes, maximum 10 for what we're trying to do. We're just trying to increase circulation to the area. We're trying to relax the muscle. We're trying to get the blood there. That's going to keep us healthy in our muscles in our forearm because the muscles from the forearm actually go to the hand and fingers. So we want to keep this as relaxed as possible and as healthy as possible. So you do that for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I would switch and I would take my ice, and this is an ice pack that's been in the freezer, and then you put it into the pouch that it has, and it Velcros on. And I'm just going to, it wraps all the way around, and it actually goes all the way around my forearm. I'm going to start at the top here, okay? Again, you can leave it on in this area for 5 to 7 minutes. This is where the bulk of the muscle belly is, but this area gets tight too. So it's okay after you've left it in this area to go ahead and bring it down to this area and leave it there. It's not that long. You're only going to do this twice a week. If you really get tight forearms, do it 4 times a week. Okay, again, all you have to do is 5 and 5. You don't have to do 10 minutes. Okay, and we're not doing the acute kind of care where it's 20 minutes because this isn't what we're trying to do. We don't have technically an injury here. We're just trying to increase circulation. We're trying to get the blood here to keep it healthy and strong and relax the muscle. Okay, so after I do that, I'm going to take my oil. Like I said, this is an arnica oil. This is on my website. I do have an affiliate link there. You can order it there. I really like it, but whatever you have will work for you. Again, if you have any allergies, of course, check the label. Don't use it. And also when it comes to using heat and ice, if you have an allergy, a heat allergy or an ice allergy, definitely you can't use this. And if you have any kind of circulation problem, you need to consult your healthcare practitioner and make sure it's okay for you to use these things. All right? So I'm going to take my oil. I'm just going to put a little into my palm, and then I'm going to gently apply it to my skin. But it's a firm motion, okay? And I usually come up, and you can use this part of the hand. You can use the thumb part of the hand, the lower thumb. It's called the thenar muscle. The hand, our thumbs, and our fingers. So watch, I'm using the web right now, and I'm just coming up, and I'm actually getting all of it. So I'm going to put some more oil on there, spread it around. Come up, right? And now I was gripping with my whole hand. I was putting pressure through the whole hand. But I'm not applying a lot of pressure. I'm just applying a medium pressure. I'm just trying to increase circulation and stroke the area, because as soon as you touch the area and draw it up, and you can do something like that where I close it like that, or you can actually use your thumb but gently, because you don't want to hurt your thumb, because then you can go through the individual muscles and I can feel my tightness in there. Okay, so when I find a tight spot, I want to go over it a little bit more. Okay, and you can go down because we're going to go up also. All right, and then you can come across the forearm like that, across the muscle. That's cross friction. Again, I'm not trying to do a heavy pressure. Okay, I'm just trying to increase circulation. All right, and then you want to come down into the thumb gently. I'm not pulling on anything hard. I'm just stimulating the area, getting blood to the area. I'm going to go through all the fingers, just like that. Love doing our fingers. Okay, see, this isn't taking that long, right? And again, I'm using my thumb, but I'm not putting direct pressure, like where I could be hurting my thumb joint. Okay, feels really good. I like it. So this is how you do self-care. Like I said, twice a week would be great. 4 times a week would be excellent. You have to decide, but if you can only do it once a week, that's great. You know, you can see it's a little red because I've increased circulation, and that's what you want. When you get the blood there, it gets rid of all the old cells, brings in new oxygen, stimulates the area, stimulates the muscles, stimulates the skin, relaxes your muscles, because these muscles, like I said, go to the hand. So sometimes people can't even write their own name because their forearms are so tight. Loosen up the forearms and write your name, and you'll notice a difference because this is controlling this. Most of the muscles are here for the hand. There are some muscles in the hand, but most of them are in the forearm. I hope you enjoyed this. So don't forget to do the other side too. But as you can see, it doesn't take too long and it's worth it. I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified when new videos come out. Please leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you thought of this presentation that I'm giving you today. Let me know, have you worked on your own forearms? Have you been able to take care of them? If you did do it from doing this video, from seeing this video, I'd love to know, how tight were your forearms? A lot of people are surprised at how tight they are, and they're also surprised at how great it feels to get them massaged. It doesn't take long, so go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for watching. I look forward to the next time. I wish you joy in life.